Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope everybody is well. Stay at home, inshallah, safely. Hope your weekend was good with your parents, your sister, and brothers. Okay, welcome to computer class. As we know, we started our first chapter, computers around us. So about it, I will tell a little bit. We already, I already read it. Learning object. I already explained to you define computer. Define computer can anyone define? Dear, I can hear your voice. Okay. And I request to the parents, please. It's possible. I gave some work for them for draw the computers and color it. If they complete it, please take the picture and send in 1 2 3 apps. It's possible for you. Okay, so you can please. So I will note down the names. Inshallah, they will get surprise. Inshallah. So computer is an electronic machine. What is the uses of computer? We are using many things: typing, listening music, playing game, drawing, watching the movies, cartoons. Even nowadays we are watching YouTube's more because we are teachers are sending the YouTube links, so you are seeing the teachers lectures. See the uses of computer. Using in the railway station for ticket book, and airport, big bakhala, small shops and bakhala. Everywhere we are using computer. So it's nowadays so important for us. So can you identify this picture you are seeing on your screen? Yes, I hear your voice clearly. Yes, it's correct. It's a CPU. Now next, what is it? Yes, very good. It's a monitor. It's look like TV screen and it's a CPU. CPU is the brain of computer. Now we will go a little bit deep. Tuk 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 coming. What? Yes, mouse. No. It's not a house mouse. It's a computer mouse. It has tail, but its tail we are joining in CPU for the work. Right? Mouse have different shape and different colors, and some mouse have beautiful lights, colorful lights, and some are simple, no problem. Okay, now come to the keyboard. Yes, I know you know very well about the alphabets key, numbers keys and arrows, because almost if you want anything, any cartoon, you are using alphabets key. If you want any numbers and maths worksheet, you are up to 100, up to 200, so you are using the numbers keys. And arrow, you are playing games. So please parents, I have request to you, show them tab key and tell about the word tab key, and you can easily show them practically. Please help me this much. Inshallah, when we will meet to the student, I will take them in computer lab. I will show them. So till you will help. And caps lock key, shift key. How many keys are? How many shift keys are there? 2's. Enter key 2. And which key is longest key on the computer? On the keyboard? Everybody knows. Yes, I know. My students are intelligent. Space bar key. Okay, I'm giving little definition about this. So please students, you are very good in reading, I know very well. So I'm trying to explain to you nicely, that's why I give the all names with the keys, keyboard. I provide keyboard like this. All key names are there: functions keys, alphabets key, numbers keys, arrows, shift key, enter key, caps lock key, and space bar. Okay, so I will explain to you now. Our topics today is difference between computer and human being. Okay, so I will show you what is the difference between computer and human being. It's so I will tell to you, computer is very fast in doing calculation compared to human being. A human being is slow in doing calculation. A computer has no feeling. A human being has feelings. Computer never get tired, but human being gets tired after some time, not every time. Does not make mistake. Who? Computer not make mistake, but the human being make the mistake, but sometime, not every time. Computer cannot take decisions, but the human being can take decisions. Like you want to go your friend house, but mother said no, you have to complete your work. So this is hard decision for you. You should complete your work or you will go to your friends to play. So like this. And feelings, if someone is slap you or pinch you, you can start to crying and going to your parents, hey mama, someone is pinching me and some is biting. So it is feeling. But computer, no, you beat lot of, it will break, but it will not say someone beat me. Okay, even computer, who is make computer? Human being. So human being is so intelligent. Dear all, I hope I explain better. I try to explain better way and easy way. You will understand. Again I will just reading and showing the difference between computer and human being. It's very fast in doing calculation. It's slow in doing calculation. Has no feelings. Has feelings. Never get tired. Gets tired after some time. Do not make mistake. Who? Computer. Make mistakes sometime only, not every time. Who? Human being. It's a nature. Cannot take decision, but the human being can take the decisions. I hope you enjoy my class. So take care, remember in your prayer, and please, difference between computer and human being, write in your copy this, okay, and by heart. Thank you so much. We will meet very soon. Okay, dear all, till you learn, you enjoy. Bye bye.